All right, so we'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen. Just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out. In any way that feels good for you. Or if you like, with the belly breath, with each inhale, the belly expands, and with each exhale, it softens right towards the spine. Feeling rooted into the earth, just letting go of any tension, any stress. Just coming into the here and now. And then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment, and then let it out with a big sigh. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it in towards the heart, and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. It's nice and easy, nice and slow. Just feeling the sensations. One more time, sink the chi. Then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to about shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. Opening the door. The start of the journey. All right, one more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. How much can you let go? As we learn to move like water, soft but powerful. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, the fountain. And then this time, very gently begin to turn towards one side, rotating, the palms face away. And then coming back to center, the palms face towards the body. Rotate the other way, palms face away. The wise owl looks behind. So very gentle, just rotating without straining. One more time, the wise owl looks behind. And then circle the arms all the way in front. This time the hands come together in prayer position right in front of the heart. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, soften down, softening the hips and the knees. Then as you rise up, the fingertips point up, looking to the side. Coming back down to center, coming up the other way, looking to the other side. The dragon looks side to side. Coming back down, rising up. Breathing in and breathing out. And you don't have to go very low. Just being kind to yourself. All right, one more time. The dragon looks side to side. And then from here, the hands turn onto their sides and they drift right across the eye level and then across the heart. And then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round. Drifting across the eye level, the heart, lower abdomen, floating back up, another round, drifting across, feeling into the body, feeling the sensations. One more round, swimming dragon. And then from here, release. The hands round as if you're hugging a big tree right to center. And then step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand comes up overhead, the other hand pushes down. Circle it around again. Bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down, leaning over to the side going up. This time, as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping the toes. Step the front foot back in, embrace the moon. Step the front foot out in front. White crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, white crane spreads wings. This time, step in and embrace the moon, and then spin the moon. So switching sides. And the bottom hand comes up, leaning over to the side going up. Circle it around again, once again with just the arms. The bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down by the hip. This time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping the toes. Step back in, embrace the moon, step back out. White crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time. This time, step in, embrace the moon. From here, the arms open up wide. The hands float down, the fingertips point up. They float all the way up and over and then spiral out and away. Silk railing, upward spirals. Breathing in, coming up the midline. Breathing out, the arms float down. Once again, opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, silk railing, upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms coming all the way up and over. The fingertips point down. They come down the center and then spiral out and away. Silk railing, downward spirals. Coming down like raindrops to the earth. Breathing in. Softening down one more time. Silk railing, downward spirals. And then circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon, step out to the side. This time, as you step out, the bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. And then circle it around again, warding off, expanding and lifting. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, the fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Receiving. Can we receive as gracefully as we give? One more time. This time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the side, then the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press. Then the hands separate. Draw the hands in towards the heart and push. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. Tide rolls in, tide rolls out. Sit back, open, wipe across. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon, step out to the other side, and as you step out, the bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. Circle it around again, ward off. The other hand comes down. Breathing in and breathing out. This time, bottom hand comes up. Fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Yielding. Tuning in to the sensations we normally tune out. And then this time we'll toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press, nice and soft. Then the hands spread apart. They draw in towards the heart and then push back out. The push, or sometimes called pushing the mountain. One more time. Breathing in, breathing out. And then sit back and open, wipe across. This time we'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press forward. Release. Draw in. And push. Sit back, open, wipe across. Other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in. And push. Sit back. This time, hug the tree. Bring it to center. And step the foot in as well. And then from here, the arms open wide. The hands float down by the sides, stepping one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. And the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird we call the crane. You can keep your toe down or you can lift it up. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time. This time the arms can reach up and over, touching down as needed, and stepping down. Other side, the crane. But just the arms at first. Breathing in, breathing out. This time lifting your leg if you like. Touching down as needed, as always. And then the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down. And then reverse direction with the arms circle in front. Hug the tree. From here the arms open wide. The hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. Circle the hands. Gather in the energy and bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. And then down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart and then press out. Sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway like bamboo in the wind, ever so gently. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please click the link right here to watch this video I think you'll really like, and I'll see you over there.